Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set, 10 top, 10 bottom, 925 solid sterling silver. It has the diamond cuts with the diamond dust finish on it. It's a beautiful grill set. It's handmade, made to fit our customer perfectly. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, quick service, beautiful, precise handmade work. Look at that. Look at those diamond cuts, the diamond dust finish. Shines hard, guys. Check it out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, y'all have a good one.